Welcome back to CoCo Finance. Today, we're journeying through the world of Tesla, a company that stands at the intersection of technology, sustainability, and sheer ambition. The electric dream. Tesla's inception was rooted in a bold idea to make electric vehicles, EVs, the norm, not the exception. From their sporty roadster, which shattered EV stereotypes, to the Model Y, a testament to practicality and performance, Tesla's vehicles have consistently pushed the envelope, redefining what we expect from transportation. Wall Street's roller coaster. In the financial arena, Tesla's trajectory has been a whirlwind. Their stock has seen dramatic ascents, sharp declines, and everything in between. It's a narrative of perseverance, vision, and the market's evolving faith in a sustainable future. The Musk phenomenon. Elon Musk, Tesla's charismatic CEO, is more than just a leader, he's a visionary. His audacious goals, combined with an unyielding drive, have propelled Tesla from a startup to a global powerhouse. Musk's endeavors, from space exploration with SpaceX to neural tech with Neuralink, all seem to intertwine, painting a picture of a future that's as sustainable as it is interconnected. Beyond the road. While Tesla's cars are its flagship, the company's aspirations stretch far and wide. Their solar roof and Powerwall products aim to revolutionize how homes harness and store energy. The Boring Company, another Musk venture, seeks to alleviate urban congestion with underground transport solutions, further complementing Tesla's vision of efficient, sustainable mobility. Global ambitions realized. Tesla's reach is undeniably global. With production facilities in the US, China, and soon in Europe, they're strategically positioned to cater to a worldwide audience. Each gigafactory isn't just a manufacturing hub, it's a symbol of Tesla's commitment to localizing production, reducing environmental impact, and creating jobs. Industry-wide impact. Tesla's influence on the automotive sector is profound. Legacy automakers are accelerating their EV programs, new startups are emerging with electrified visions, and the global discourse on transportation is evolving, with Tesla often at its center. The road ahead. As we gaze into the future, Tesla's journey is bound to be dynamic. With advancements in battery technology, expansions into new markets, and a growing emphasis on sustainability globally, Tesla is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of not just transportation, but energy as a whole. In conclusion, Tesla is more than a car company, it's a movement, a philosophy, and a catalyst for change. For those intrigued by the confluence of technology, sustainability, and business, Tesla's narrative offers a treasure trove of insights and lessons. Thank you for tuning into CoCo Finance. For more explorations into the ever-evolving world of finance, business, and innovation, make sure you're subscribed. In the realm of finance, knowledge is both power and protection. Equip yourself, stay ahead of the curve, and navigate your financial journey with confidence.